Hello everyone and welcome back to this brand new episode at Rescoli by Carlo. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will be helping us a lot by subscribing and by sharing our videos to those who are interested in learning on how to upcycle, relove and restyle anything that's under the sun basically. And what are we going to do today? We have this tray. We did this tray, and it was an old panel from a kitchen door which is unused, which is basically lost to a workshop, and then we decided to upcycle it and do this project. So we did these knobs here and some items that we have been showing you lately, which are the blending of the colors. So here we have different shades of color. Even here we have some French sheen and some browning wax and some image transfers. The next video will show you what items you need for this project, and then you can follow me through the process on how to do this breakfast tray for you, for your loved ones, or just to hang up on a wall. Let's get starting. For today's project, these are the things you need. So as base we used the wise old sage. For blending we used salt of the earth, scotch mist and love letter. We used some image transfers, this time from Cadence. We used water and a sponge for the image transfer, finishing coat to seal the image transfer, French sheen gold for the edging, and browning wax for the final result. And these are some of the other items we needed: some cloths, a bit of sandpaper, some wooden stock and a pair of knobs.